Hello all, let's come to this new assignment of Excel which will be from part 1 to part 5 and then we will see the next part from 6 to 10. So today we will discuss from part 1 to part 5. So each parts will be a separate series of assignments which will get solved, okay, and we will continue this till part 10, right? So the first exercise, which is practice exercise 1, if I open it. So let me enable this. So this is the index match exercise where a certain if you see the data is given, and from here we have to apply the index and match formula to basically match the or basically find the records based on the questions which is given. So here the question is company X runs 5 stores, right? And the table you see, you have to refer to that table and fill the below images, right? That's what this particularly the assignment is, okay? So we want index which is from store A in January. What is the actual value that we want to get from that? So what we'll do, we'll write the formula very simply. Index array is basically the entire table range from B5 to N10, that is the table range that we are taking, right? Next is the row number. So what we will do is we'll give a comma and we'll give row number as, either you can use a match function to basically use that row number, or you can give the row number as I want it for store A and January, okay? So row will be 1, column will be also 1, store A January index, and I am getting 55. Similarly, let me drag this for January, and I can see that all the index formula is done correctly. Similarly, for February, what we can do is just drag it side, 51 we are getting correct, March, and we'll drag this. So all the formulas is finished. So if you can see, we have properly filled the table using the index function formula. You can check the formula over here. That is how this works, right? Similarly, we will go to the match we have to find the column index over here. So what we will do is we have to check that August comes on which column index, right? That is what we have to find. So equals to match, right? The lookup value is August, comma. The lookup array that we are going to search is only on the months, right? Comma, and I want the exact match, so 0. So August is at the 8th one. If I drag this out, it is coming NA. So what I need to do is I need to fix the cell, because this C5, the table needs to be fixed, F4 as well as F4. So now we are getting the exact column index for all the months that we are able to see. Similarly, we have the row index, right? So store A, C and E. So what we'll do, we'll use a match function. So match function is basically find out the indexes very well. Lookup value is store A, comma, select this range, absolute it, comma, 0 exact match, done, right? So store A is 1, and you can, once you're down, you can see 1, 3 and 5. So this was the first page of the entire solution for index and match. Let me go to the second page. Now what they have told you, Again, they have given you a table, and now we have to use two things, right? Both index plus match for this, right? And I want it for July. So what I will do, equals to index. Why index? I want the exact value of that. So array is the table array that we are selecting. We will not consider the stores because we will use it in the match function over there, comma. Now it comes the row number where we have to search the rows, right? So the row numbers will be match lookup value, the store, comma, lookup array. This is the store array. We will fix this, comma, and I want the exact match. So this is finished. So this is basically the row number which gets completed, comma. I want the column number also. So column is July. So again we will use a match function. Lookup value is July, and I will search it over here, right? Fix this, comma, 0. That is completed. So the column number is completed, the row number is completed, and we will complete the index as well. Okay. So we are getting 119. Let's validate this. Yes, 119 for store A. Let's drag this out. Now here the problem is, we will check the formula clearly first of all. I'll just make it little zoom as well as smaller. Now what we have done with the formula, check this out, where we have done the mistakes. So index C to N11, okay. Okay, the table has increased to 11. If you see N11, so that means in this formula we have to fix the table also. So table array, fixing that, again fixing that, completed. Now if I drag, it won't change. Still it is showing me error. Okay, July, store B. Okay, so let's try this. Equals to index, array will be this table array. Okay, I have filtered it, absolute, then matching the row. So lookup value is this. Okay, comma, imagine the lookup value is B24, it should be in B column. Lookup array, we will search it over here, we will fix this array, comma, exact match. So my row number gets completed, comma, match. Lookup value is July, comma, lookup array is Jan to December, right? Fix this, comma, 0. Both are completed now. My row number as well as column number where the index needs to be searched is completed, and we are getting 120, which is correct. Now if I see the formula is B25, which is correct. C24, okay, C24, see this is getting problem. C24, so what is C24? It is coming store C, which is not correct. See, C24 is 120, so it should be fixed over here. The July should be fixed. Okay, so let me revisit the formula again, what we have done. So index equals to index, array, selecting the array, fixing this, comma, row number, let's type match. Lookup value is store A. We will not fix this, comma, because it will keep on changing as we drag down, right? Next is the lookup array. Lookup array is this, and we will going to fix this, comma, exact match. So my row number gets completed over here. Next is the column number, so match. Lookup value is July. Now July needs to be fixed because this is the only thing as a lookup value. So I will fix this, right? Comma, lookup array is this, fix this, comma, 0, exact match, bracket close and bracket close. So now it is completed, 119, and if I drag this now, it will work properly, right? So that was the error where we need to fix the July, which is basically only one cell. If we have multiple cells side by side, then we have to fix only the row, not the column. So absolute reference is very important. Which column, which row, you can also fix in the formula. You can also fix the B23, the B column should be fixed, the 23 should not be fixed because it will keep on changing, right? So that also you can do, right? So this was the second page where we have completed both the index match assignment. I hope you have liked the session. Please let me know if you have any issues or any kind of problems in